Elevate your golf game and have some fun at Twin Lakes Golf Course, the ideal place to learn, practice, and play. Our two 18-hole courses offer twice the experience. The Oaks course entails tree-lined fairways where accuracy is key. Need a more forgiving approach to the greens? Try the Lakes course. Work on your short game with the putting green, chipping area, and sand bunker. Get some swings in at the 36-station driving range featuring 6 covered bays. Junior golfers can take advantage of discounts and programs. Group classes and private lessons are available from the Eisman Golf Academy. The 7,000 square foot clubhouse includes a spacious banquet room for weddings and special events. Visit the fully stocked pro shop. Hit up the Lakes Grill for a variety of food and beverage. Unwind after your round on our updated patio with scenic views. For more information, visit us on the web.